Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. Nature and transportation
自然と交通手段、乗り物。
and 2. Phonics, silent letters
フォニックスの発音をしない文字。
KN, N, and GH. Let's start the DVD lesson. Next, let's do some actions. First, just watch what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. Stand up. On. In. Under. Above. In front of. Behind. Next to. Sit down. This time, let's do it together. Are you ready? Stand up. On. In. Under. Above. In front of. Behind. Next to. Sit down. Excellent! This week, let's practice 2 combinations of silent letters of KN and GH.
今週はフォニックスの発音をしない文字の組み合わせを練習しよう。
First, let's start with KN sound. When the letters KN are together in a word, the K is silent as in knee and knife.
K と N 2つ並んだ文字が単語の中にあるとき、K は発音しません。
Let's begin. KN is N. Knee. KN is N.
K と N が2つ並んだときは K の音は発音しないので N の音読みんと発音します。ベロを口の中の上の部分、歯茎の裏のあたりにぴったりとくっつけて離さずにんと言いましょう。
Okay, let's try the KN sound together. 1, 2. Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? KN is N. Knee. Are you ready? 1, 2. KN is N. Knee. Wonderful. Next, let's practice GH sound. When the letters GH are together in a word, both letters are usually silent as in night and wait.
G と H 2つ並んだ文字が単語の中にあるとき、GH は発音しないことが多いです。
Let's begin. GH is wait. GH is... Okay, let's try the GH sound together. 1, 2. Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? GH is wait. Are you ready? 1, 2. GH is wait. Wonderful. It's time to sing. The name of the song is This Is the Way. Just watch us sing. This is the way I wash my face, I wash my face, wash my face. This is the way I wash my face every day in the morning. This is the way I brush my teeth, I brush my teeth, I brush my teeth. This is the way I brush my teeth every day in the morning. This is the way I comb my hair, I comb my hair, I comb my hair. This is the way I comb my hair every day in the morning. This is the way I make my bed, I make my bed, I make my bed. This is the way I make my bed every day in the morning. This is the way I put on my clothes, I put on my clothes, I put on my clothes. This is the way I put on my clothes every day in the morning. Did you like this song? Me too! Please listen to this song at home. Goodbye. It's new vocabulary time. I'll introduce you to some new words. Just watch and listen carefully. Let's begin. It's an airplane. It's the sea. It's a lake. It's a river. It's a mountain. It's a train. It's a helicopter. Okay, one more time. Are you ready? It's a helicopter. It's a train. It's a mountain. It's a river. It's an airplane. It's a lake. It's the sea. That was great. Please remember. Hi! It's chants time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. This week, let me show you a new chant. Just watch and listen. Put on your shoes. Take off your shoes. Get in a car. Get on a bus. Take it with you. Bring it back with you. Did that look interesting? Hi, it's book time. I will read you the story. Please watch and listen. The title is Nature and Transportation.
タイトルは自然と交通手段、乗り物。
Written by Gary and Akiko. I go to the farm by truck.
私は牧場にトラックで行く。
I go to the beach by car.
僕はビーチへ車で行く。
I go to the park by bicycle.
僕は公園へ自転車で行く。
I go to the island by helicopter.
私は島へヘリコプターで行く。
I go to the lake by boat.
私は湖へボートで行く。
We go to the mountain by bus.
私たちは山へバスで行く。
I go to the paddy field by train.
私は田んぼへ電車で行く。
I go to the moon by rocket.
僕は月へロケットで行く。
The end. Did you like the story? Me too. Goodbye. Hi, my name's Max.
My name is Carla.
My name is Dino.
Now let's play the sound guessing game. Somebody says knock. Guess who?
Nut!
Knock.
No.
Who said knock? I did. I said knock. Oh, Max said knock. Did you get it? By the way, what did you say, Linda?
I said no. Knob.
I see. How about you, Carla? Carla?
I said nut. Nut.
I see. Bye, everybody! See you next time! Hey, how was that? Today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. Nature and transportation, and 2. Phonics, silent letters, KN, and GH. Don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.